YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I got a mic right here, so there's not no caterpillar on my neck or nothing, but y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. You clicked on this video for a reason. If I'm looking dead and sweaty, that's because this is my third video today. I've already cleaned outside the car. I'm about to clean the inside of the car, but in this video, of course, as you're about to see, is I'm about to paint inside the car now. So I've never done this before. I've never used this product before, but we're gonna see how it goes. It looks like it's done pretty well on other people's cars and other people's projects. So I'm gonna try it out. Shit, really, the Civic's a damn project car now. So I'm willing to try anything out. I will say my Civic has the tan interior and I am definitely not a fan of the tan. Look at that mess. I have to go clean that. So make sure subscribe because you don't want to miss that video. But other than that, I am going to paint some pieces. So far, I got the side skirt for the inside of the car, the seat clips, I guess. I have 4, but I swear I'm supposed to have 8. I don't know where the other 4 are, but if that's it, that's it. So what I'm thinking now is take out that side also, and yeah, see what other pieces I can take out. I might try and do under the steering wheel, because I have to take that out because I'm shooting another video. Hint, hint, I'm doing that. We're gonna see what else I can take out and paint and clean and go from there. So wish me luck because I'm gonna need it. This is the pieces that I came up with that I'm going to spray. We're going to try it out and see how it goes, and maybe we'll take some other pieces off eventually. I've never done this before, but I've seen a bunch of videos, and pretty much this is what kind of almost everybody says for the most part. So I got a Scotch Brite pad, like soap pad or scrubber, just whatever, regular from upstairs. Brand new, has the hard part on the backside, so that's gonna scuff it up. I got some soap and water, just dish detergent, hot water. So what I'm going to do is essentially scrub everything down. Alright, so I got a little bit of water, spray everything down. I cleaned the pieces for a second time. Now it's time to wipe everything down. Hopefully this camera doesn't die because I've been using it all day. So now what I'm about to do, just to make it short and sweet, wipe everything down. Y'all don't need to see how to wipe shit down. Y'all already know.
5 minutes later.
We got all the pieces here, all nice and dry and clean. I do have some alcohol, so I'm gonna spray it down, wipe it down with a fresh towel, let it dry, and then it's time for the fun part.
Blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey nah, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth.
Everything has been wiped down with alcohol. Everything's set up. I know this is a terrible setup. It's small, it's on bricks, and it's in the grass. So yeah, don't do what I do. Do better than I do. I've shaken up the can for about a minute or so. That was the fun part, to spray. So hopefully everything goes well, and wishing you the best of luck.
Made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now. Out the mud, just an upstate boy, now I'm living like for real now. Need nothing, just an action with some muscle. Say fit 4 days, I just blame it on the hustle. Got these tattoos on my skin, I promise I'm no trouble. I'm cash inside the duffel, not sex inside the Russell. I get fly, you be crutching on designer that ain't fly. In LA, I scoop the cat or something fast for when I slide. Burning rubber, they gon' tax me for the tires, it's alright. I just start up that new iron and I ride. Yeah, this is not a trend. Tattoos on my skin, I'm my daddy's twin. I'm a businessman, just like Jigga said. Pennies to an end. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, know you know now. That's cause he could go and top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, know you know now.
This is how it's looking so far. I just got done spraying it. Ignore the grass in the background. Yeah, so this is how it's kind of looking right now. It's kind of wet. It's starting to get dark, so I know it's going to start getting a little wet outside. I mean, I know meteorologist, but I'm going to assume that's how it works. So I'm going to let it dry for a couple more minutes and then bring it inside and let it dry there overnight. And then we'll put it on. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
The next morning.
So this is the finished product of the vinyl. It's still a little shiny. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why, but I'm not really stressing it. As you can see, it's holding up pretty well. I will say, when I was putting it in, this was kind of leaning up against it, and you can't really tell, but it kind of like chipped away at the piece it was hitting, but obviously I can't see, so I'm not really tripping. But that is something to take into consideration, is that it does scratch. Here's the bottom piece that I did. As you can see, yeah, you can kind of see it's kind of matte here, and everywhere else is kind of shiny. Mine is here and here. So that's something to think about. I'm not really sure because I don't know about spray paint, but if you know about spray paint, then obviously either I did something wrong or that's just how the product is. And here's the last piece that I did. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I got a lot of videos planned for this car, so you definitely want to stay tuned. Other than that, thanks for watching.